Next, 200 kg of sugar was purchased at the rate of rupees 15 per kg and sold at 5% profit. Then the selling price of the sugar is rupees 16 per kg. We have to find it true or false. Here, cost price is given. This 200 kg has no meaning because we want it per kg only. So cost price is 15 per kg. Okay. So 5% on rupees 15. Here, profit is 5%. Cost price is 15 rupees. So we have to find the selling price. So 5% on 15 means 5 upon 100 into 15, right? Equals to 0.75. So this is the profit. So selling price will be what? Cost price plus profit. So SP equals to cost price plus profit. So 15 plus 0.75, that is 15.75. But what is given? 16 per kg. So this is false.